This is for my granddad here in Norwich. He's from Mauritius, very big into his cooking, and these are cooking books for his birthday. He makes some of the spiciest food I've ever had, and my genetics, I can't handle it, bless him, but he's a hell of a chef. So I hope he'll appreciate these, and I hope he'll make less spicy food for me.
First time living away from home. I've been here since university started, so 6 weeks. My parcel is a package of stuff from home that I didn't bring with me to uni. I forgot to bring. I forgot what I asked my mum to send me. I'm excited to open it and see what's in it.
I don't know what this is. My dad sent it for me. It's probably some just everyday household stuff because he just ordered stuff for me. Oh, it's shoe spray. I didn't know that he ordered it until I got the email from the post room saying come and collect it. So it's a nice surprise. It's a small thing, but it's nice.
These are the letters that I have just collected from the post room. The letters are from Roy's Bank. As an international student, when you are here, you need to have a UK-based account. Yeah, it is great to have the account finally to be set up. To me, I feel like I have accomplished one of the steps I wanted.
Ever since starting uni, I started going to the gym, and I thought, you know what, let me buy some new gym clothes. So I'm excited to see how that will look on me. I chose to come to Norwich is because it reminded me of my old house in Yorkshire. It's more calm, there's a lot of greenery here, and the atmosphere is just a lot more positive. So yeah, I do enjoy Norwich for sure, but I miss London.
Do you want to see?
Okay.
Okay, open it.
We want to see.
Yeah. Actually, it's a vintage. I love running. My father take me to join some club. He like sport, and I like too.
This birthday is from my sister. This is Mochi. In my country, we eat mochi in New Year's Day.